Hello students, welcome back to the class on business and society. My name is Rishi Chakraborty. I am assistant professor in the Department of Management at Assam Downtown University. From the previous lecture videos, you by now have some idea about sociology, what is society, definitions associated with it, and what role society has to play and what role humans and companies have to play in the society. Therefore, in the concluding remarks, considering what is happening in the Indian business scenario, one can conclude that enterprises have indeed shifted to the right of the continuum and are even going beyond. Businesses have made huge profits. By one estimate, 60% of India's 200 leading companies are looking to spend their newfound wealth on foreign acquisitions and investment. And therefore, it is important that such organizations also are taking huge part in building a better society for all of us. Thank you very much.